Good evening, all. It is Bobby Two Pots Breaks. On Christmas Day, it is Monday, December 25th. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. We randomed up our 9 remaining boxes. 3 is what we got left. We did a Christmas special for the guys that are basically a third off. We did random teams on the right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Did give them a few minutes to trade. Nothing went down, no. So here we go, folks. Damn, hands are so dry, man. Fucking forced air, man. Alright, guys, here we go. Bam! Well, going to be the Marx Brothers with Mark Clayton and Mark Duper dual sign jersey. Going to Miami, guys. The first hit out of the bag. Bam! Well, going to be a Marvel hit with the Ironheart Dominique Thorne Funko Pop for the Marvel spot, guys. Or the... Yep, Marvel's who it was. Yep, there we go. Bam! Going to be a Griswold for the vacation spot, guys. The Chevy Chase. Bam! Going to be Ricky Henderson for Oakland. Bam! Toronto is gonna finish that bad boy up with the Vlad Guerrero framed jersey, y'all. Gonna open our envelope real quick. Nothing in that. Alright, 2 hit the duper. Well, Andrew. Well, Andrew, stopped on in. Gonna take that baby on the 1 spot there. Marvel, going to be SD on that one. Vacation. Ooh. Oakland on the Ricky, going to Dylan. Do you believe that's Dylan's first hit in the room there, guys? Congrats, Dylan. Again, I'll open these up. I'll bring these out in just a second, guys. Toronto is our last hit from the envelope. Wow, man, a couple of 1-spotters hit there, guys. It is going to be a Steve hit. Haven't seen Steve in a while there. Stepped on in, took a spot. Gonna take the big hit out of the box there on a 1-spotter, folks. Very sorry, everybody else. Let me break out our items here. JSA certification, a sticker and card on the Marx Brothers, Mark Duper, Mark Clayton. It's the super duper autograph there on that. JSA going to Andrew. Alright, and again, guys, I am going to leave that lined at that price for another break. What the shit? It's got two of them. Which one's it gonna be? Hang on. 4 or 5. So that's the one. I'll have to send that back to them. So. Shit, didn't mean to use that bag. Let's use a different one. Alright. Gonna be the Chevy Chase Griswold Beckett Witness hologram on that one, lube. Here comes a Ricky Henderson. Bam, JSA sticker and card with that, Dylan. Again, congrats on your first hit in the room. Going to be your Ironheart there, SD, JSA, and PSA sticker on it, so dual sorted. Going to SD Tiger on that. And then let me just bring a pickup for Steve on the Vlad here real quick, fellas. Alright, there you go, Steve. There is your Vlad. I'm not going to break that out, bud. Just a pain in the ass to unbox it, everything for you there. Bam, but that's going to be that baby for you. So that is going to wrap up that one boxer for us, guys. I will leave those lines at the discounted Christmas price for you. See if you want to get another one in. Y'all can start calling out your keeps there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even Kick, guys. 8 p.m. Central, Bobby Two Pots Breaks.